Hello and welcome to iPhone Tips and Tricks with Aeron IT Consulting. Today I'd like to go over the Find My iPhone feature. That is the app that comes with the iPhone here, as you see on the top middle row, Find iPhone. This is a very useful security feature for anyone if your phone's been lost, if it's stolen, or if you've misplaced it around your house, for example, which has happened to my wife on more than one occasion. It's very beneficial to have turned on. So we're going to go to Settings, and then we're going to go to Accounts and Passwords and click on iCloud. So you'll need to have an iCloud account set up in order to have this feature turned on. At the very bottom of our options here, you see Find My iPhone, and you'll want to go ahead and make sure that's turned on, as it is for me at the top. Down here is a new feature in iOS 11 that it can actually send your last location when your battery is very low. So before it turns off, let's say your phone's been lost, and you want to find out it'll send that location of where it is right before the battery turns off, which is actually pretty helpful. So that is turned on, and let's go into the app and take a look and see what options we have available to us. So when we go in, the first thing it does is find your location. You can see it's actually used GPS to locate where I am right now. And at the bottom, you have the arrow on the left, which you can click to actually home back in to your location, which I've just done. As you see here, I scrolled away and clicked on it. It'll center on where you are. The information button here, which just you can change different information, and you can look at different things a different way. You can actually look at a hybrid, so Google Earth view, satellite, or just standard view, which I like. And here are the actions, which is very important. These are really good. So you can play a sound on your phone. So if you've lost it, for example, you can log on to Find My iPhone on the internet or someone else's iPhone. You can play a sound and it'll play a very loud chime, so you can try and locate your phone if it's been misplaced somewhere. You can click on Lost Mode, where it will actually lock it down and prevent anyone from being able to try and erase it or reset it or anything like that. And there's also Erase iPhone, which you can use as a last resort, and that will actually wipe all information on your iPhone away. You'll need to know your passcode in order to do this, but this is a good way for you if someone has stolen it, that they can't get access to your iCloud account information and things like that. And so that's really important. If someone's gotten a hold of your phone and you just can't locate it, then at least you can wipe it and not have criminals in possession of your personal information. So you can go back and you can see as well, I've got several devices here, and you can have a lot of different things added. I'm going to go ahead and remove this iPhone 6 because we don't need it. And so any of your devices, your iPad, your iMac, your iPhone, your spouse's iPhone, you can put on here and you can locate and you can use in order to utilize this feature. So I hope that helped out quite a bit, and we will see you next time.